The world of artificial intelligence, AI, is booming. From facial recognition software to self-driving cars, AI is rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives. Are you interested in being a part of this exciting revolution? If you dream of a career building the intelligent systems of tomorrow, then this video is for you. Today, we'll delve into the essential skills you need to thrive in the ever-evolving field of AI in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a curious newcomer, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to kickstart your AI journey. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of AI. The foundational 4. Programming prowess is paramount. The world of AI programming offers a variety of languages, each with its strengths. While Python, R, Java, and C++ are the cornerstones, your ideal choice depends on your area of interest within AI. Python. A versatile and beginner-friendly language, Python is widely used for rapid prototyping, data analysis, and machine learning applications in AI. R. Another popular choice for data science and statistical computing, R offers powerful tools for data manipulation and visualization. Java. This robust and object-oriented language is a powerhouse for building large-scale AI systems and enterprise applications. C++. While not for the faint of heart, C++ offers exceptional performance and control over hardware, making it valuable for computationally intensive AI tasks. Remember, the best language choice for you depends on your specific goals and the type of AI project you're tackling. Don't be afraid to explore different languages and find the one that best suits your learning style and project requirements. The key is to have a strong foundation in programming concepts and the ability to adapt to new languages as your AI journey unfolds. Do you have prior programming experience? If not, which language would you be most interested in learning to get started in AI? Data, glorious data, the fuel of AI systems. Data is the lifeblood of AI systems. Just as a powerful engine sputters without fuel, even the most sophisticated AI model struggles to learn and perform well without a steady stream of high-quality data. The ability to work effectively with data is a crucial skill for anyone aspiring to a career in AI. Here's a deeper dive into the essential data skills you'll need to thrive in the world of AI. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Raw data is rarely perfect. It often contains errors, inconsistencies, and missing values. Your role as an AI specialist will involve cleaning and pre-processing this data to ensure the AI model can learn effectively. This might involve techniques like handling missing data, identifying and correcting outliers, and transforming data into a format suitable for the AI model you're building. Data analysis. Data is full of hidden patterns and trends. Being able to analyze and interpret data is essential for understanding the underlying relationships and drawing insights that can guide your AI development process. This involves utilizing statistical methods, data visualization tools, and your programming skills to uncover these insights. For instance, data analysis can help you identify the most relevant features in your data for training your AI model, leading to better performance. Machine learning fundamentals. Machine learning algorithms are the core of many AI systems. These algorithms learn from data to make predictions or decisions. Having a grasp of the fundamental concepts behind supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning will be crucial. Supervised learning involves training the model with labeled data, where the desired outcome is already known. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, where the model must identify patterns on its own. Reinforcement learning involves training the model through trial and error, where it receives rewards for desired behaviors. Understanding these different learning paradigms will equip you to choose the right approach for your specific AI project. Do you find the idea of working with large data sets and uncovering hidden patterns intriguing? The art of the model. Building and optimizing AI systems. Building and optimizing AI systems goes beyond just writing code. It's an art form that requires a blend of technical expertise and creative problem solving. Here's a deeper look at the key areas you'll need to master to excel in this aspect of AI. Deep learning frameworks. Deep learning is a powerful subfield of AI that utilizes artificial neural networks, loosely inspired by the structure of the human brain. These neural networks excel at tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and game playing. To build and train complex neural networks, you'll need to leverage deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These frameworks provide a foundation for constructing neural network architectures, defining training processes, and managing the computational demands of deep learning. Model optimization. Training AI models can be computationally expensive, especially for complex neural networks. Here's where model optimization comes in. Your goal is to create an AI model that delivers accurate results while consuming minimal computational resources. Techniques like model compression and efficient training methods are your allies in this endeavor. Model compression involves reducing the size and complexity of the neural network without sacrificing its performance. Efficient training methods involve optimizing the training process itself to minimize the computational resources required to achieve the desired level of accuracy. Evaluation and explainability. Building an AI model is just half the battle. You also need to evaluate its performance and ensure its decision-making process is understandable. Evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall will help you assess how well your model performs on unseen data. Explainability techniques, on the other hand, allow you to understand how the model arrives at its predictions. This is crucial for building trust in AI systems, especially in situations where transparency and fairness are critical. By employing explainability techniques, you can identify potential biases in your model and ensure it's making decisions based on the right factors. Do you enjoy a challenge? Are you up for the task of building and optimizing complex AI models? Beyond the code, communication and collaboration are key. The world of AI isn't a solitary endeavor. While technical skills are essential, the ability to communicate effectively and collaborate seamlessly is equally important. Here's why these soft skills are crucial for success in an AI career. Communication. The magic of AI lies in its ability to solve real-world problems. However, translating complex AI concepts into understandable terms is vital. You'll need to communicate effectively with both technical and non-technical audiences. This might involve explaining the capabilities and limitations of your AI model to stakeholders, or even crafting compelling presentations to showcase the value proposition of your AI project. Clear and concise communication ensures everyone is on the same page and fosters buy-in for your AI endeavors. Collaboration. AI projects are rarely the work of a single individual. They often involve teams of engineers, data scientists, researchers, and domain experts working together. Strong collaboration skills are essential to navigate this team dynamic. You'll need to actively listen to different perspectives, share ideas effectively, and work cohesively towards a common goal. Collaboration ensures a smooth workflow, fosters innovation, and leverages the diverse expertise within the team to build robust and effective AI systems. Problem solving. The journey of building AI systems is rarely linear. You'll encounter challenges along the way, from data inconsistencies to unexpected errors in your model's behavior. Being a resourceful problem solver is key to navigating these hurdles. This involves critical thinking skills, the ability to analyze situations and identify root causes, and the creativity to devise innovative solutions. A problem-solving mindset allows you to overcome obstacles, adapt to changing circumstances, and ultimately deliver successful AI projects. Do you consider yourself a team player? Do you enjoy working collaboratively to solve complex problems? There you have it. The essential skills you need to build a thriving career in AI in 2024. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and a passion for exploration are vital. The future of AI is bright, and with the right skills and dedication, you can be a part of shaping it. We hope this video has ignited your interest in AI. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting videos on the ever-expanding world of technology.